Ayan. So, ngayon, ayan, punta muna kaming breakfast. And then, pauwi na tayo. Dadaan pa pala kami sa mall. Lobat na ako. Nakalimutan ko lang dyan. Katapat lang to ng mall. Actually. Yan yung mall. Yan lang sa tapat. Dito na tayo sa buffet. Mga bata gagawang waffles. Nagpainit ako ng aking gluten-free bread. Egg. Ito na ako. Wala na. Mag-refill pa sila. Naku, wala na pala. Kuha muna ako before maubos. Ito na lang. Magre-refill pa yan kasi maaga pa. Marami kasing guest. Isa na. Wala na. Kulang-kulang. Tignan na natin ito. Refill naman dyan and everything. Okay. It's okay. Mga bata. Yung na-beep-beep, yung mga bata nagagawa sila ng waffle.
This is so good.
Oh yeah? Okay, baby.
What is this?
Potato. I don't think they have, but you can, yan pa. Ito masarap, mukhang masarap blueberry, ano yan. Blueberry masarap. Tapos, ano to? Whipped spread. Is it good? You get another one. Nagustuhan finally. Mayroong nagustuhan si Ben. Hoy, eat it on the table, Baba. Gumagana ba to? Cancel ko na siya.
Do you like it?
Yeah, Ben likes it. Ito aking gluten-free na bread. Okay. Ayan ako. Maliit yung yan yung pancake ng mga bata. Yan. Okay, take it from here. Go pick up. I'll hold it. Okay. Yan.
2 minutes.
Yan.
Oh, is it ready?
Yeah, I think that's ready. You don't want it too crispy. Yan, ang kay Kuya. Go ahead. Go get your plate. This one. Look at yan. Yan. Nagawa sila ko kay Ben. Ano yung apricot? Okay. Alright. Sarap ng mga muffins. Kaya lang, di ako pwede. Ang sarap ng uy, ako din. Uy, not too much darling. Oh my God. Yan, nag-refill ng bago. I-refill pa yan, guys. Ito naman yung mga oatmeal. Mamaya ko tayo oatmeal. Tsaka ito yung mga drinks. Orange juice, cranberry, apple juice. Pero apple juice ako. Yan, may fresh na egg. Kuha tayo ng konti pa. And yung sausage. Dalawa lang. Masarap din to eh. Dito tayo sa Whole Foods. Ang pinakamahal. Dito tayo sa Whole Foods. May titingnan yung mga bata. Aba, may mga damit na pala sila. Ayan, eyeglasses eh. Blue light. Ay, mahal. May mga damit na sa Whole Foods. Ano siya? Ito yung brand. Earth's Favorite Clothing. Wow. $59 ang jacket. Known supply. Mahal. $78. Yeah, may bago na. Ang tagal namin di nakapunta dito, guys. Oops, sorry. Yan, mga bata. So, nakuha na nila yung gusto nila. Joyride. Ito pa. Don't open it yet.
The gum you always want.
Yan, this is my gum. So, yan. Cotton candy. Bibili tayo ng cotton candy. $10. Sige, baba. Credit card. Credit card first. And then, okay, kuya, can you put it here? Wait, well, don't do that. It's gonna fall and somebody can... Okay. It's okay. No, cancel. Swipe your card not to complete pay. Ay! It won't accept. Tell me that you made it. Okay. Close after. We already did. It says ano.
I guess that's that.
Works. Ayan. Kuya, dali. Ayan na. Ito yung napili na may flower. A flower, ano. How do they, are they gonna show it?
Wait, it's heating up and
Please wait.
it's warming up.
Ito yung cotton candy maker. Ayan na! Ayan na!
Oh, there. See?
See?
See if it will make the pattern.
I know. Well, I think it will.
Oh, what is? Oh, it's shaping it.
It's shaping it.
Let's see if it will make the pattern.
Yeah, I think it's already set. This is the design.
Different colors.
The flower design.
And then it'll shape it.
It just invented the color.
30, ay, almost done, no? 36, 37, 40%. Uy, ayan na.
There. Oh.
Wow!
Look at
Can you
that.
see it from there too?
Yeah. Can you see it?
Wow! It's done?
No, it's not done. It's shaping it. Look, see, it's shaping it.
That's the yummiest.
And then we'll put more. The more, the better. Wow.
Oh, now there's yellow. Wow. It's not gonna be pink. It's not gonna be green. It's pink.
I know. I chose that.
Uy, almost done. 87%. That's it.
No, it's still doing the edges. Okay.
Watch out. Wow. Nice. Yeah. It's like cloud. Yan, guys. Punta kami sa isa pang ukay-ukay since nandito na rin kami. So, hinanap namin yung isa pang ukay-ukay.
Then they turned it into rock.
Naka-ano na kami. Wala na kami sa Kentucky. Dito na ulit kami sa Indiana side. Indiana. Sa Indiana na tayo. Eastern Boulevard. To the right.
That'll get that cheap. It's all the good those things. Maybe we could go to the Indianapolis has the mall where the Legos
exit 2. Okay, to the right.
Take exit 2, then merge onto US 31 North.
The Lego store is in
31 North.
Yeah, we'll probably get a wheel in the middle. See that bridge? At least it's not an old.
Yeah, now we know.
That's real.
Yeah. Eastern Boulevard. Eastern Boulevard, that is right there. Oh, okay. Right there. Another Goodwill bin. Ito yung per kilo guys ulit. Pero sa iba tong location dito na to sa Indiana. Kuha tayo ng cart. Ay, basa yung cart. Ba't basa dito? Ayan, kasi umuulan guys. Let's start with the gloves. May gloves kami guys. Ayan na. Hey. Ayan natin guys. Start dito guys. Alright. Okay guys.